Let's take a look at a simple Python code. To understand the Boolean data type, the variable x is assigned the value true, which represents a Boolean value of true. Similarly, y is assigned the value false, which represents a Boolean value of false. Now, let's look at the next two lines. The variable z is assigned the value of bool 0, and w is assigned the value of bool 1. Here, we are using the bool function to convert the integer values 0 and 1 into Boolean values of false and true, respectively. Finally, we have the print statement. Here, we are using the isinstance function to check whether the value of x is an integer or not. Let's run the code and see what happens. Boolean values true and false are considered to be a subclass of the integer class in Python, so isinstance x would return true. Here, we are using the isinstance function to check whether the value of x is an Boolean or not. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.